Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator in Microsoft Excel VBA. In previous videos, we have learned how to use simple concept of if statement in Excel VBA. So let's go to the computer screen for detail. We are in the computer screen now. You can see we have inserted one sub here and we will type first our first if function with multiple conditions by help of AND. Okay. So I will type here if. Our first condition will be like 5 equals to 5, okay, and second condition will be 6 equals to 6 and third condition will be like 7 equals to 7. So we have inserted here 3 conditions, okay, and separated by AND operator. So as like Excel, when you are using AND operator, our all conditions should be true, then the whole statement will be true. Otherwise, if one condition is false, then it will be false, okay. So I will type here then and I will type here, take a message box here like output, message box in message box will be like true in true block, and we will type here a false block also, I mean else block, like else message box false. Let's see what happened, and we need to close the if statement with end if, okay. So if I run this code, you can see it will be true because all the 3 condition is true now, okay. You can see true block executed, okay. If I make one condition false, like if I make it 5, then it will execute the false block because one condition making false output here. For this whole the statement is making a false output, okay. Let's try also that. You can see it is false. So we will try now about the OR operator. So if I change this AND to OR, let's see what happened. So while we are using OR, then among our conditions, if one condition is true, then whole the conditions will be true, or if all the condition is false, then the complete condition will be considered as false, okay. So in that case, that will be true because here 2 condition is true and 1 is false. You can see it's true, okay. So as like that, we can use our NOT operator. It is simple, as like we have used in Excel. If we put something in NOT, the result will be reversed, like true as false, false as true. Let's see also. So this is our condition. Before that, we can put like NOT. If I make it NOT, then this condition is what? This is making an output like true. But if I put there NOT, I have mentioned here NOT, that's why the whole condition will be now false, okay. So let's see what happened now. If I make it like 8, then you can see this condition is false, this is also false, and this is equal to, but we have mentioned here NOT. So whole the condition will be false now. Let's try. You can see it's false. I hope you have understand what is how it is working basically. So to apply NOT here, we need to mention NOT before of the each condition, okay. There are another method to apply the NOT equal to. For this, we will remove the NOT from here, and we instead of equal to, we will type here greater than and less than. With operator, we can make a NOT equal to statement also, okay. So this is the AND and OR, and also we have discussed about NOT. We will see a practical example here. Before that, I will make it comment. Okay, let's do that. Just a second. Suppose a party is going, there are some conditions about age and dress color. The age should be greater than or equal to 18 and less than and equal to 45, and dress color should be blue or black. So for this, we will take here 2 variables. One is age, second is dress color. So dim age as, we can take it as byte because the range of byte is 255 until 255, okay. So age is between the range actually, okay. So we will take as a byte, comma, we will take another variable like dress color for decol, okay, short form dress color as string. So we will assign some value here like age equals to like 25 and dress color equals to blue. So let's put some condition now. I have made some spelling mistake here. Okay. Let's write down the condition basically. Just a second. So here will be if. We need to check the first condition first, like age. So for age checking, we need to apply two conditions also. Like one is for 18 and above and another is for 45 and below. So age will be greater than equal to 18 and age will be, if the age will be less than equal to 45. We have two conditions for age. We will type here and now we will apply the dress color condition, like dress color should be black and blue. Okay. So for this we need to use some parentheses to separate and if. In previous examples we have tried how to use and or in separate conditions, but here we are using and or with same condition in a single condition. Okay. Let's try. So here we will separate with parentheses. Here will be decolor like. While we are using some, while we are comparing some string value, then we will put a like statement, and while we are using, comparing some numbers or some difference methods, then we will use the equal to statement. Okay. Equal to operator. So decol like blue or decol like black. Okay. So in parentheses we have write here two conditions separated with or. Okay. Now then message box will be like you can enter the party, and if the condition is false, then what happen? Let me write it in the else block. If the condition get false, then what will be? Like message box, you are not eligible. Okay. And we need to always close the if statement, like end if. Okay. So this condition is along, the data is along our condition is true because age is 25 and dress color is blue. Let's run this code and let's see what is happening. Okay. If I run this code, you can see it's becoming you are not eligible. Why you are not eligible coming? You can see blue is here in small character. So while you are using the like operator, then the exact match should be in the text. Okay. Now you can see it will be eligible. You can enter to the party. Okay. So if the dress color is some different like green, then it will say you cannot enter, you are not eligible. If it is black, then also it will be eligible because the condition get matched. If I change the age like 46, it is exiting the limit now. Okay. You can see you are not eligible. So hopefully you have understood this system. Now we will change some condition here. Now the condition is age should be the same like 18 and between 18 and 45, but dress color should not be black and blue. Without, except black and blue, any color is eligible and black and blue is restricted. Then what we will do here? In that condition, we will remove this parenthesis from here and make this or to and we will put some not here. So here 4 conditions is now parallelly. Okay. First condition is what? Age should be greater than or equal to 18. Second condition, age should be greater than or less than equal to 45. Third condition should be dress color not like blue. If I put not before the condition, then it will reverse the condition, the output. Okay. So if the dress color is blue, then it will reverse false, then the whole system will be reflect as false. If the dress color is except blue, then it will be what? True. Okay, because it is reversing the value. Okay. And the fourth condition is same, dress color not equals to black. So in that condition it will be not eligible. If I change the age also to the 30 or in between some age, you can see it will be not eligible. But if I make the dress color like white, then you can see it will be eligible. You can enter the party. If I make this dress color like black or blue, anything, then it will not eligible. Okay. Hopefully you have understand the whole the codes. I will share this file with you. You can download it from the description. If you have still some confusion about this video, you can write down in the comment section below. We will try to reply on it. So that's all for this video. We will meet in a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.